which is your alt text. Now coming to alt text, now let me scroll down. Again, alt text are mainly given. Now let me search for here. Now let me search for, sorry, not search, let me add alt text. So usually we call them as alt text for images, which means because alt text for images. Say for example, you have a page. You have a page of a website. Now you know how to add content, you know how to add images, right?
Yeah.
You want to add one image here, you want to add one image here. Here you want to line 4 lines text. Here you want to line 4 line text. Say this page is about sports cars.
Yeah.
You have written an article or a page on sports cars. So what does this image have in this? I know this doesn't look like a car, it's a truck. Okay,
Yeah, it's
so
looking
you
like
know how
car
to
only.
write. I am very bad in drawing, of course, but you got it. This is a car and this is one more car.
Yeah.
Children will write better drawings than me. Okay, this is one car and this is one car. Now hopefully they don't collide or cause an accident. Now coming back, it's a joke. Now coming back, guys, here you have this page. Now what happens is Google bots will understand this text absolutely very clearly. It will understand what is this. It will also
Okay.
understand, it will understand text, what is the text about. But certain times you have this seen this image. Now when they crawl, it will understand the width, it will understand the height, it will also understand the like image format. Is it
Okay.
JPG, PNG? If you understand the format, it will understand also the like file size, everything. But the problem is it won't actually understand what exactly is that image. Okay, now that's where we give something called as an alt text. By giving an alt text, it helps you to say, for example, I'll give it as like Cybertruck.
Okay.
The Cybertruck is Tesla's, no? Tesla's Cybertruck. So now by giving here an alt is equal to Cybertruck, by giving an alt text, what happens when Googlebot understands, whenever Googlebot crawls this, they understand it. Now what happens when they crawl this, understand the space, now it will understand what is that image about and help you to rank better on the SCRP, and also the images will rank on Google Images.
Okay.
Okay, that's what it is. Now here, if I take an example, now if I search for my name on Google, so if I search for it, they understand my alt text about my image. It takes from LinkedIn, of course. If I search for here, if I go to images, now can I see first, second, and third, all of my images only, because that's what it happens. Now like this, guys, you can search for any person's name, or if I search for the word, say if I search for the word idiot. Okay, there is a reason I search for this. I'm not
Donald
offensive,
Trump.
guys. Again, I don't want to target anyone. Now, you know what
Donald Trump
happens? You
will
see the
come.
president of United States. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
because what has happened is someone has given a name as an anchor text as an idiot. That's the reason it's coming. So that again, you don't have to search. I can search for so many things. Like you can search for worst prime minister. No, I'm not taking any names. You can just search for just generally, but you see terms. Now again, guys, it's not targeted anyone. I'm just telling you how Google algorithms work. Okay, I'm also a big fan of him. Now this is what their algorithms are optimized towards. Okay, now if you want to target, if you want to rank for good things, try to optimize your images for that. So here, guys, again, now let me start optimizing it. Now first step is I don't have images. You know where to download images. Okay, search for pixabay.com. Now I search for here, say I search for web design, because my page is about web design. Okay, now here, say I will choose any good image. Say I'll choose this image. I'm going to click on this. Hopefully I should be able to download. Click on download. You have multiple formats you can download. I'll choose this one, 1280 by 760. It is 298 kilobytes. I'm going to download this. Now download for free. Now I'm going to highlight this, and I feel like breaking my laptop. Now, guys, the image gets downloaded here. Can you see the image is downloaded? Guys, please don't upload this directly image, because if you see the image size, it's almost 300 kilobytes. Search for short pixel online. You can just search for so many websites. Just search Google online image compression website. I search for short pixel online image compression. Okay, I just Google it. I'll click on the second one, organic. First one, organic, of course. Online image compression. It's a free tool. You can compress at a time 50 images. Drag and drop this image. This is the image. This was almost 3 MB. So let me see how much it can compress. Now let me take time. Can you see, guys? It got compressed by 52%. So I'm going to download this file. So it looks, actually you can't find a difference at all. It doesn't say one. It is the original file. If I move to the left, If I move to the left, can you see this is the one, it says 1, and this is the original. Can you see the difference? You can't find any difference, guys, unless you zoom it. Okay, this is the original file. It doesn't say 1. If I move to the left, can you see this one says 1? This is a background image here. So I click on this background image. I'll click on style. I change this image. I go to upload files, renamed. Now, once you rename it, here also you have to put an alt tag. Sorry, here you have to put an alt tag. Alt tag is usually the same thing. Web design company in Bangalore. So next time Google crawls this page, it understands this image is about that and helps you to rank on Google Images also. So I click on insert and the image has been uploaded. Again, you can control the image styling, and okay, say you want to change the background overlay. Guys, you guys are pros in this. Not that you guys don't know. I can change it to black, background type, classic. Let me choose, I think let me choose here on the background. Should be changing now. Just give me a second. There you go. I'm just changing it and this looks much better. And there you go. I update this. So I can come to the preview tab and I can check it out. So the goal is you rename the images. Okay, it's loading,
Okay.
but if you check the new image, it changed. Can I see this? So this is how you change it. The image has been compressed. The image has been renamed. It's very important. You cannot upload whatever that image name is on Google. You have to rename it and then re-upload it. So this is aspect of it, guys. Now next we go to the next section. Again, what is this? There's an image here. So what I do, again, if possible, I'll compress this image and re-upload it, but you got the point. Now, if you already uploaded, if you want to put all text, you can just click on edit, click on this image. I don't know, where is that image? There's an image here. Can I see alt? You can write here. Okay, you can write here, leading web design, web development agency in Bangalore or Bangalore. So I click on insert and done. That's it. The image, all text has been added to that image. Similarly, if it's a person's name, you can click on that person's name and you can put an alt text. You can put alt text here and I can click on insert into the media. Like this, you can go to every single image and add alt text, preferably rename the image and then first compress the image. Second step is rename the image. Can you see it says studybox1.jpg? Very bad option. First is rename the image, compress the image. It looks 53 KB. It is fine. Now afterwards, add your alt text and click on insert into the media. So next time Googlebot crawls this page, whenever the next time Googlebot crawls this page, it understands what is this image about and helps you to rank better on the SERP. So this is what I want to tell you in terms of alt text. This is what you do it, guys, as simple as it is. Just click on the image and go to the same thing for pretty much any page builder. Okay, alt text, because if you're not sure, if you're not able to add them here, just go back to your WordPress dashboard. It's loading. I'll go to the dashboard. If you are not able to add the images there, what you can do is don't delete the images. You should not delete in the media file. You can go to media here, media library here, and you can click on every single image. Say, for example, I click on that image and then you can rename the image here. You can write it here and save it. Automatically it gets applied. You can add them here and you just close it. It gets applied automatically. So you can do it here also in your media library. So this is aspect of alt text for image.